how to use a tagged dating app. So if you want to use a tagged dating app, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your tagged application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. If you've not installed the application, you can go with your Play Store or your App Store and install it. Now, after installing, just tap on open. Go with get started, which will be on the bottom. And you can continue to log in with your email. If you don't have an account, then you can go with new account and then enter your email address and create your password. Go with continue. Once you tap on continue, you need to enter your name and then your date of birth. Tap on OK. Go with the arrow and then select your gender. And now you can add your profile photo. You can select from your gallery. Once done with your photo, you need to again go with the arrow, which will be in the bottom right, and your account will be created. Once your account has been created, now you can go and use your tagged dating application. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.